Here we are working on 3rd Street. It's in Idaho Falls. It's 33 degrees. And right now I put the thermal camera on these shingles. When they come out of the hot box up here, they're coming out at 94 degrees. Right now, they've only been in there for 2 hours. But they come out at 94. And I put the temperature gauge on them. These right here that have been laying out here for 10-15 minutes, they're between 78 and 80 degrees right now, and everything's laying down nice and flat, so that's a huge plus. But with the rest of those coming out at 94 degrees, it makes them go on without, as you can see, they're going on without any bubbles or frozenness. They're still pretty flexible. Here's one right here. And the nails are laying down just perfect. Nothing's blowing through.